This is Dr. Boden here with a patient of mine named Lee. It's about 14 months following a transplant. We're going to take a close-up look at his hairline. How was your year? How's it been?
It's been a really quick year. Recovery or just the amount of time since is just kind of flew by, especially once you get past that hump. I would say the first 3 months. After that is kind of back to normal, and it's exciting to see kind of the month-over-month growth.
Basically, Lee obviously didn't start out as a bald guy, but the transplant really involved reinforcing this frontal third. This is essentially all transplanted hair, and it really looks natural. That's the ultimate goal.
You know what? It wasn't something that I publicly let people know, just people that were very close to me. Most people didn't even notice it, which was the plan from the beginning. My small intimate circle that knew about it can't see a difference, especially folks that I haven't seen in a few months. They were able to notice it.
Lee tends to wear his hair maybe half inch or inch long. There's a thin line back here from where the hair was taken because he did the FUT procedure, the linear extraction procedure. But you healed really, really well. I'm combing through here and it's hard to even see anything.
I felt comfortable. I've never felt out of sorts with it. It just felt completely natural.